friends, let's continue accounting concept part 5 in which we'll discuss accrual concept in detail. Accrual concept. This concept states that revenue and expenses are recorded in the period in which they occur rather than when money is received or paid. This means we have to record transaction as and when it occurs. Let's take two scenarios to understand this better. David needs a study table, so he went to his father and spoke to him that he needs a table for his studies. His father said to go to the shop and select a table for him and let him know. David went to Furniture Bazaar and selected a table. He negotiated the price of the table with the seller and said that he will purchase it in the next month. That is, he'll purchase that table in the month of October. So, you tell me whether any transaction occurred? No, as he didn't took a table or didn't paid the money for that table, right? So, Furniture Bazaar will record this negotiation in the books of accounts. No, as there are no transactions because negotiation is not a transaction. He has only negotiated that he will purchase this table in the month of October, but he has not paid the money, neither he had taken any delivery of that table. Now let's talk about second scenario. Let's assume David went to Furniture Bazaar in the month of October and purchased that table, but he didn't pay the money and he promised to pay the money in the month of November. The Furniture Bazaar agreed and delivered the table to David's house. He used the table. Now tell me whether there is any transaction happened. Yes, there is transaction as the table has been delivered to David's house. He didn't refuse the delivery of the table. So he is bounded to pay the money to the Furniture Bazaar. So David will pay the money in the month of November but has received the delivery of the table in the month of October itself. So when will Furniture Bazaar record this transaction in the month of October or in the month of November? According to accrual concept, Furniture Bazaar will record this transaction in the month of October itself as the table was delivered in the month of October. So this is a kind of sales, right? He didn't refuse to take the delivery of the table, so he will pay the money to Furniture Bazaar in the month of November. The transaction has taken place in the month of October itself. Yes, but he hasn't received any money. But Furniture Bazaar hasn't received any money. So how will Furniture Bazaar record this transaction? Let me remind you the word debtors, which we have already discussed in our previous videos. Debtor is a person whom the goods has been sold but money hasn't received yet and will receive it in future. Here, David is a debtor for Furniture Bazaar as the table has been sold and money will be received in the month of November. So, while recording the transaction in the books of accounts of Furniture Bazaar, the two accounts which will be impacted are sales account and debtors account. So, we learn from this example that transaction will be recorded as and when it occurs. Here, transaction occurred in the month of October even if money is not received. Then also it is a transaction for Furniture Bazaar as they have sold the table to David. As accrual concept states that revenue or expenses are recorded in the period in which they occur rather than money is received or paid. Hope you have understood accrual concept. If you have any doubt, you can join me on Telegram group through the link provided in the description box, or you can mail your doubts at sistabasta2075@gmail.com. Don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.